How to remove your iCloud from phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn on how we can actually remove your iCloud from phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, this really depends upon what you're talking. Are you talking about whether you want to remove every sort of backups on iCloud? Then you can go to settings and tap on your Apple ID profile. Then you can go to iCloud and make sure to turn off any sort of backup that you have. But if you're talking, let's say, about removing your iCloud ID from your iPhone, well, that's also fairly simple. You can just open the settings app, then tap your Apple ID profile from the very top, then just scroll down and here you'll find the sign out button. You can tap the sign out button, make sure to turn off Find My ID, and then you will be able to successfully sign out of your Apple ID or iCloud from iPhone. This way you can remove your iCloud from iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.